heard what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. That's not true. We're bringing the SEMA show straight to you. I'm here with Randy Nelson at Swisstrax Interlocking Flooring Tile. And Randy, tell us a little bit about your company.
Right, we're here for the third year now at the SEMA show. It's one of our best shows of the year. We're presenting now here a new product. I say if you got nothing new to show, don't go. That's kind of a philosophy. To give a little bit of background to the viewers, we've got a full range of different interlocking tiles. And saying interlocking tiles, they're snap together tiles that have looped edges and pegged ends, so they're spring clips that lock together. The idea is basically said similar to a laminate floor. You're putting down a floor that is floating over the surface of wherever you're covering. A lot of it be garages, but we do racing pits, we do aircraft hangars, fire departments. So we have a wide range of products for different applications. Generally, all we say, it's a floating floor, a modular flooring system. So there's been a lot of development involved in getting the flooring out there.
Now, what are these made of and what are the benefits of having them?
The tiles have come through a long development in plastics. As we know, a lot of the vehicles, bumpers and so forth, the dashes are being made out of plastics. They used to be made out of steel. Obviously, because of weight, they're going more over into high-tech plastics. This product here is a copolymer, which is a plastic. It's a high-impact resistant, and then there's additives in there which will maintain its ability to resist UV light, also for a little bit more of impact in cold and heat. So as you can see, it's not like you've got a piece of plastic that's going to break. It goes down to minus 23 up to 280 degrees before you affect any of the characteristics.
And what are some benefits of having this instead of just a bare floor?
Well, over the last 10 years, garages have doubled in size. When garages double in size, people are starting to utilize more of the areas instead of packing them just full with boxes and so forth. So that's brought people a lot to looking at paints, coatings, and other alternative floor coverings. Plastic tiles have been out there for a number of years. Now you're looking at people saying, look, I've got an area in my garage, I got nice cars, I want to make my floor look nice. We've got our cabinets done in the home, and now this is kind of the last area people are looking to bring out. And that's what's brought development of the tiles now, and the market is just tremendously growing. If you look at the concrete surface, I call it an ugly concrete surface covering, because you can do anything. You can do it in patios, we do it out in paddock areas, in racing. We're sponsors for Hendrick Motorsports, also a customer here across the way, XV Motorsports. We're working with large corporations, Ford Motor Company, BMW Mini. We do car dealerships with these as car dealership pads where cars come up on them. We do laundromats. We're doing all different types of applications where they need a simple, fast, modular, and portable flooring system. So look at the advantages of it. The basic idea is to give you a product that will snap together. A homeowner can put it in. It takes you about 4 hours for a 2-car garage, including the cutting. So you order product, it's delivered. You can take your design, go on the website, put in your dimensions, and then you see how many tiles you need for that floor, order them up, they come in, and then go over the installation instructions. So if you look at it, it's almost like Lego for adults, if I'm allowed to say that. But to show you how it locks together, you have here, basically the tiles come in. You've got a positive fix now between these two tiles. You're not worried really about tile separation on it, and that's a key point. It'll handle the weight of a vehicle. It'll handle the thrust of a truck. It'll handle virtually, we're doing testing with 50,000 pound rollover weight. And there's not another tile out there, hands down, that can do that in this type of modular flooring.
And how many different styles and colors do you offer?
We have 14 colors in almost all the styles. We have here the typical diamond plate. This is actually a drain vent tile that we use in combination with this, so people for areas where they have walkways or water, they can combine this. This is also coming from the sport flooring. We use this for inline hockey, basketball, tennis, and so forth. This comes in limited about 7 colors. Then we go into a new product which we're launching, and I think it's an all-purpose floor covering. It's called Swisstrax.